The following is how to remove the art and hub on the wheel assembly. The following tools are required: a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm nut driver. Set the wheel assembly on a non-abrasive surface. Turn the wheel assembly over. There are 4 nuts that you have to remove, located here, 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 and here. Also 2 screws located here and here. Using an 8mm nut driver, remove the 4 nuts. Once the nuts are removed, set them aside in a safe location. They will be reinstalled later. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws. Once they are removed, set them aside in a safe location. They will be reinstalled later. Remove the back cover, set it aside. It will be reinstalled later. Disconnect the harness. Remove 2 more screws located here and here. Set those screws aside. They'll be reinstalled later on. Grasp the handle. Set the front hub on a safe location that will be reinstalled later. Turn the art over. Remove the hub. Remove the 3 screws and washers located here, here, and here with the number 1 Phillips screwdriver. Remember to save the hardware. It will be reinstalled when the artwork is replaced. Lift up on the artwork. This concludes how to remove the hub and artwork for the wheel assembly for the Gamescape.